Hi! Hello! What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Technoventures. In today's episode, I will be unboxing another mouse, this time from Glorious. It's the GloriousModelOWireless gaming mouse. Yes, another wireless gaming mouse. I bought them from Data Blitz this time for only 3,995 pesos plus shipping fee for 39 pesos. That's a total of 4,034 pesos. That actually saved me a lot of money because resellers actually sell these between 4,000 and 5,000 pesos. Other resellers sell them for 6,000 up to 10,000 pesos. So don't buy them. It's not worth it.
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
So in my last video, I didn't get to inspect the box at the first part just because I was quite excited at that time. But this time, this is the second gaming mouse that I bought. So let's go ahead and inspect the box first. So we have here our box. At the front side, we have the top design of the mouse, Glorious logo, its official weight 69 grams, and a color matte white. That's about it. It says here ModelOWireless Glorious gaming mouse. The top side, nothing too special, just the logo. At the bottom side, it only says two things: Glorious and PC gaming race. At the left side, we have some of its highlighted features: extreme lightweight design, wireless, G-Skates mouse fit, and BAMF sensor. At the right side, it only says Ascend. Now, at the bottom, we have here a long list of its specs. We have quite long description here. Here is our spec: 19,000 dpi by 400 increments per second, 69 grams, 2.4 GHz lag-free wireless with included adapter, 1000 Hz dual wired and wireless connectivity, 6 programmable buttons, maximum battery life 71 hours. Now I actually like what they did here. Instead of the Steelseries box that included what comes in the box, they put here the sizes of the mouse. Its width is 61mm at the center. We have 59mm width, and at the bottom of the mouse we have 66mm. Official length of the mouse is 128mm. Its height is 26mm at the front and 37.5mm at the back. That's all about it that we need to talk about for the box, and let's get right down to the review. Now that we've inspected the box, let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's take the tape off of the middle. Now let's see our product. It's not slidey enough. There we go. Ooh. I'm actually a fan of, when unboxing products. I really like it when they put the product at the top. So here is our mouse again. It's pretty. Not a fan of these. What's this? These are their mouse feet. G-Skates Premium PTFE mouse feet. Why is the color blue? Do I have to remove something? So let's talk about the mouse later, and let's go ahead and see what comes with our box. You have to remove this. I think this is our dongle, or maybe adapter. Okay. Do I have to pull hard? Oh, this is the dongle. This is a adapter. But there is also no compartment here for the dongle. That's a little bit sad. But although they didn't include an adapter, you won't lose this easily. Here is our cable, Type C to Type A cable again. Type C. Couple of stickers from Glorious and a message for quick start guide, product support, downloads, and warranty details. Visit page, and a couple of other languages. How about those? Okay. Here is our quick start guide, and that's about it. What should be expecting from the box. Now let's talk about the mouse. Again, I am a really fan of this honeycomb design. The mouse is lightweight, but the Aerox 3 is actually more lighter. 3 grams more lighter to be exact. Again, how can this mouse be ambidextrous? I'm a really fan of matte finishes, matte black, matte white. They're easy on the eyes, and black and white, it's not that irritating to my eyes. I believe in simple is more. Okay, fits my hands really nice. But it's too soon to say other things, so I will end this video here. I will get back to you once I completely review this mouse.
Several months later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today, well, not today, in this part of the video, we will now be reviewing our Glorious Model O mouse. Now again, this is a mouse from Glorious PC Gaming Race. It's called the ModelOWireless. They have wired version of this, and this is also an ambivert. Ambivert. This is also a ambidextrous frame, ultra lightweight model. Now, first impression and overall review that this mouse is really great compared to the first mouse that I reviewed, because this mouse fits in my hands perfectly. There isn't any excess gap, and my hands just feels more comfortable with it. And overall specs is the same. Again, this has 19,000 dpi by 400 increments per second. This is again 69 grams compared to our Steelseries mouse that we reviewed last time. It's 3 grams more heavier. Same with 2.4 GHz lag-free wireless, dual wired and wireless connectivity. But I'm gonna tell you guys right ahead that I prefer this mouse over to the previous one, just because it feels more comfortable to play with and it's cheaper than the previous mouse. So again, I got this around the 2,000 and 3,000 price, while the Steelseries mouse, we got them from almost 6,000 to 7,000 pesos. So that's really expensive, right? And this is just right on our budget. We are looking for a lightweight gaming mouse that we can use for our everyday life and not have to spend too much on it. So overall, they are almost the same, but key factor, guys, is the price and the overall sizes of our mouse. So that made this mouse more comfortable to play with and more, and I don't know, I guess you can say that it is the people's choice mouse mostly. However, there is also one key factor that kind of bummed me about this mouse over the previous one, and that's the battery life. So this mouse has a maximum battery life of 71 hours, but that's when you lessen your RGB. But when the full RGB is on, this only lasts me about 1 or 2 days, almost 1.5 days. Then I have to charge it right away. So that's the only thing that kind of bummed me about this mouse, because I was used to getting 3 to 4 days of no charging. So and with this mouse, I charge it every other day just to be safe. But then again, compared to the Steelseries mouse, it actually lights up red to let you know that its battery life is low, and of course it doesn't suddenly dies on you. The mouse wheel goes red and you can still use it for a couple of minutes or maybe an hour before it really dying out. So you will know that you need to charge your mouse. So that's the thing. Again, I highly recommend this mouse over the previous one. This one is more cheaper, more... You guys know what I'm talking about, okay? It's more user-friendly, more budget-friendly. There we go, that's the word I am looking for. Kidding aside, let's talk about the RGB. You guys will absolutely love the RGB around this. It's really slick. It goes from this side to... from the top to the very bottom on both sides, and you also have an RGB that you will notice at the bottom of your mouse. So that's really slick. I kinda liked it, and the honeycomb design, I also like that. Weight, well, there is no much difference. Again, this is only 3 grams lighter than the previous mouse, so I kinda got used to it very early and had no issues around it. The buttons, they feel really clicky to me, very responsive. The wireless connection, also very responsive. There is no lag time that I felt. Also, another downside is this mouse has no Bluetooth option. Only the 2.4 GHz wireless option. So I guess that's one of the reasons that this mouse is cheaper than the other one, because our Steelseries had a Bluetooth option. But aside from that, again, they are almost the same. They only differ from the choices of your connection and battery life, and also the price of each mouse. So that's it for this video. Again, I highly recommend getting this mouse this 2021 if you guys are looking for a wireless gaming mouse. So that's it for our video, guys. I hope you like this video. As you can tell, I used this mouse a couple of months because I grew out my hair again. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like our videos. Like and subscribe on my FB page and YouTube channel if you guys want to watch more videos like this. And if you guys have any comments, you can comment down below and I will try my best to leave you guys a reply. So that's it. See you guys in my next video.